Class 7. Today we are doing exercise 4b and till question number 4 I have shown you how to solve question number 4, arranging rational numbers in ascending or descending order. About that we have already seen, and in that we have seen that the method is applicable there to change all the given fractions into like fraction. Then you can easily understand that which fraction is bigger, which fraction is smaller. That means by changing the fractions into a like fractions, we can easily understand that the fractions are bigger, smaller or equal. I hope that you have done question number 4 all, and I have given you the homework question number 5 onwards. So just you check that how you have done it, whether it is right or wrong. So question number 5 is there. Write the missing rational numbers in the boxes. Few numbers are missing and how you can fill it. So let us see it. A number, it is 8 upon 24. Then there is a box. Okay, there is a box. Then here it is written 10 upon 24. Then again there is a box, and then comma, again it is 12 upon 24. So now the question is, which number is there? Which number is there in these boxes? So here you can see 8 upon 24, here 10 upon 24 and here 12 upon 24. You can easily understand that after 8 here 9 upon 24 will be there, then here 10 upon 24 is there, then here it will be 11 upon 24, then here 12 upon 24, and you need to write the numbers between 8 and 12 here. So here it will be 9 upon 24, then here it will be 11 upon 24. Like that you can fill it. Now question number B also you can see 18 upon 30, then next fraction will be 19 upon 30, then 20 upon 30, then 21 upon 30, then 22 upon 30, then 23 upon 30, then 24 upon 30. So you can take a pencil and you can fill it in the book also, because it is the fill in the blanks. Later on you can write it in your copy. So A and B question can be done by you all. Once again I am repeating. Question number 5b, it is written 18 upon 30. So after 18 upon 30, so B number, after 18 upon 30 you can write 19 upon 30, then you can write 20 upon 30, then you can write 21 upon 30, then you can write 22 upon 30, then you can write 23 upon 30, and last number is 24 upon 30. 24 upon 30. So these are the fractions which you can write in between. So in between in the boxes, the first box you can fill 19 upon 30, then you can fill 20 upon 30, then you can fill 21 upon 30, then you 22 upon 30 is given, then you can fill here 22 upon 30. So like that in the fill in the blanks you can fill the numbers. Now I am talking about question number 6. In 6 number question, list any 4 rational numbers between the following pairs of rational number. So list any 4 rational number. As you are aware, as you know that in between 2 rational numbers there are many rational numbers, means infinite number of rational number. Suppose if somebody is asking you, in between 2 and 3 how many rational numbers are there? What will be your answer? Infinite numbers. In between 0 and 1 how many rational numbers are there? Infinite rational numbers. So in between any 2 numbers, the number may be the whole number, the number may be the rational number. In between any 2 rational number there are infinitely many rational numbers. So keep it in your mind. So here in question number 6 2 rational numbers are given. They have told you to write any 4 rational numbers in between them. Let us see how to do this question. So here I am going to do question number 6a. Here it is given that 4 upon 7 and another number is there 6 upon 7. 6 upon 7. You can see both the fractions, the given fractions are like fraction because their denominator are same. Now you check that in between 4 to 6 how many numbers are there. After 4 you are having 5, then you are having 6. So one number you can see that 5 by 7 is there, but you need to write 4 fraction. For this what you will do? You will go in the solution, you will write it and 4 upon 7. Now I will think that 4 upon 7 should be multiplied with such a number that we must get 2 numbers, and here I am writing 6 upon 7. It must be multiplied by some number so that you are having 4 numbers in between. So you start to think like this. Suppose you are multiplying 4 by 2. You are multiplying 4 by 2, then it becomes 4 2 ja 8, and you are writing 6 into 2. That means 6 2 ja 12, and denominator is always same here because it is 7. If you will multiply it by 2, it will be 7 2 ja 14, and here if you are multiplying by 2, again it is 7 2 ja 14. So it is always equal. When you are multiplying 7 by 3, you are getting 21. So about denominator no need to think here, you have to think about the numerator. Here if I am multiplying 4 into 2, you are getting 8. I am multiplying 6 into 2, then 12. In between 8 and 12, how many numbers you are there? In between 8 and 12, you are having 9, 10 and 11. Only 3 numbers you are having. You are in search of 4 numbers. That means you cannot multiply it by 2. Now you have to think, I am multiplying it by 3. Then what will happen? If 4 multiplied by 3, 4 3 ja 12, and here 6 multiplied by 3, 18. In between 12 and 18, now you think that you are having 4 numbers. In between 12, 4 3 ja 12 and 6 3 ja 18. So in between 12 and 18, you can see that 13, 14, 15 and 16. In between 4 3 ja 12 and 6 3 ja 18, you are having 4 numbers. So you can multiply it by 3, it by 3, it by 3, it by 3. Ultimately you are having the number 12 upon 21, and here you are having 18 upon 21. Now you can see in between 12 and 18, you are having 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 numbers you are getting. So like this you can think about your answer. This method is known as trial and error method. Which method? It is known as trial and error method. You are trying, and if you are getting the error, then you can change it. Okay. So the 4 rational numbers, they have told to write 4 rational numbers, 4 rational numbers in between 4 by 7 and 6 by 7, 4 by 7 and 6 by 7 are, what are the numbers you are having? After 12 you are having 13 by 21, then 14 by 21, then 15 by 21 and then 16 by 21. Like that you can complete your answer. So this is the question and this is the answer of that question that you can think. So in between 2 rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. As per your need, you can change the given fractions into a like fraction. A fraction can be multiplied at the numerator and denominator with the same number, then the fraction does not change. So think after knowing this fact, we can change the fraction to a larger number, and then we are having here 4 number. Okay, suppose they have told you to write 10 rational numbers between 4/7 and 6/7. If they have told you to write 10 rational numbers between 4/7 and 6/7, what you can do? You think yourself. Okay, 1 minute time I am giving. Just you think, if in the question it was written over there that write any 10 rational numbers between 4/7 and 6/7, what you can do? You see here, I can multiply the number 4 as I have multiplied it by 3. If suppose I am multiplying it by 10, so 4 into 10 becomes 40, and here 6 into 10 becomes 60. So in between 40 and 60, you can think that there are many rational numbers and you can write any 10. Okay, suppose 4 tens are 40, and here 7 tens are 70, and here 6 tens are 60, and here 7 tens are 70. So between 40 and 60 you are having 41 upon 70, 42 upon 70, 43 upon 70, 44 upon 70, 45 upon 70, 46 upon 70, 47 upon 70, 48 upon 70, 49 upon 70, then 50 upon 70. Like that, you are having many rational numbers as per your requirement. You can write any 10 rational numbers between them. I hope that now you can do these questions by yourself. Still, you copy it down. I am showing you few more questions like that. So this time we have done question number 6a. 6a I have done already. Now one more question I am taking. This is 6d number. This time I am taking question number 6d. Again the question is same. We have to find 4 rational numbers between 1/2 and -3/7. Here the question is 1/2 and -3/7. Now you see, 1/2 and -3/7, in between you need to write 4 rational numbers. So what to do? At first you can see it is not in like fraction. They are not the like fractions. Okay, then what to do? What to do? We will change it into like fraction. We will change it into like fraction. So find the LCM of 2 and 7. LCM of, in solution, if your fraction is not in like fraction, you change the fraction in like fraction. At first you write LCM of 2 and 7 is coming to 14. Now you write 1/2 is equal to, make it 14 by multiplying with 7. It is 7 upon 14, and another fraction is -3/7. That also can be multiplied by 2 at the 2 side. Here you are getting -6/14. Now in between 7 to -6, how many numbers you are having? Therefore 4 rational numbers, 4 rational numbers between 1/2 and -3/7 are, what are the numbers? After 7, now you can go to -6, or just you can see which is bigger. 7/14 is bigger, a smaller number, -6/7. So after -6 on the number line you are having minus 5 upon 14, then minus 4 upon 14, then minus 3 upon 14, then minus 2 upon 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4 number is written. They have told us to write any 4 number. So any 4 number you are getting over there, that 4 number which you can see the numbers are there. Any 4 we need to write. So this is the most convenient and easiest way to find the rational numbers in between two given rational numbers. So always you have to change the given rational number into like fractions, then you can write the numbers easily. There will be no problem in writing them. Now question number 7. So you copy down, then I am going to show you question number 7. So in 7 number question, the weight of Deepak and Manoj are 985.15 kg and 567 upon 7 kg respectively. Who is heavier? So here you need to compare it. In 7 number question, you need to compare it. Which two fractions you will compare? 985 upon 15. Here in 7 number, how to write this statement? Let us see the statement part. Weight of Deepak. You need to write WT dot weight of the first person is Deepak. So weight of Deepak, and it is given that is 985 upon 15 kg, and weight of the another fellow is Manoj. Manoj 567 upon 7 kg. So both the weight you are having. Now which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller? Actually that you have to think. Now here you can, now we need to compare this. So for comparing you have to write both the fraction keeping a box in between 567 upon 7. For comparison, I am told to multiply by cross, means all the denominator will move to the numerator side in cross, like that. 985 multiplied by 7, and here you have to make a box, then 567 multiplied by 15. Now you can multiply these two numbers. 7 5 ja 35, 5 carry 3, 7 8 ja 56 and 3 that is 59, carry 5, 7 9 ja 63 and 5 that is 68, and here 15 into 7, 15 7 ja 105 that is 5 carry 10, 15 6 ja 90 and 10 100, 0 carry 10, and 15 5 ja 75 and 10 that is 85. So here this is the rough side that I am working. Now you can see it is 6895, it is 8505. That means this is bigger. Then it is clear that which number is bigger? 567 upon 7 is bigger number. So whose weight is bigger? So you can see Manoj is heavier. So you can write Manoj is heavier. Manoj is heavier. They have asked who is heavier? Manoj is heavier. Manoj is heavier than Deepak. Heavier than Deepak. Like that. You can comment over there for the final answer. So 6 and 7 both the question you have seen how to do it, how to write the statement of these questions. Now it is clear. And why I have taken this third bracket over there? Because it is the rough part. You can do there itself also, or you can do by side. You can use the side to write the answer. In rough side you can write it, or your wish you can write it here also. But you need to decide, you need to compare two given fraction and how you are getting your answer very easily and simply here you can see. So you can do question number 8 also. So here the question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 you need to do. So do try it. Now I am going to see question number exercise number 4C. After 4B I am going to see question number 4C. So in 4C, what is there? In 4C, here go to exercise 4C now, and in 4C I am going to start today itself. Now in 4C, use a number line to solve the following. That means you need to use the number line to do these questions. How to add the two fractions on a number line when you can see that they are not a like fraction. When they are not a like fraction. So how to use? So first of all I have told that you need to change the fractions into a mixed fraction, okay, it's fine. Or if it is not in like form, you can change into the like form. So if you are having the like fractions, you can add it very easily. So here 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So question number 1, this is 1A number. 1A number here, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. How to use it on number line? How to show the addition on a number line? For this purpose, what I have told you to do? I have told you to do, change it into like fraction. Like fraction you have seen, it is already there. Like fraction, it is already there. So you just draw a number line and there, right here 0, then mark here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As per your convenience, you can first you mark. Suppose for 1 centimeter marking I have did. You can mark it for half centimeter also. Okay. So after 0, I can write here 1 by 5. Okay. Then I can write here 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. Okay. So ultimately you can write the numbers. Here suppose it is 1 by 5, it is 2 by 5, it is 3 by 5, it is 4 by 5, it is 5 by 5, 5 by 5, and like that 6 by 5, oh sorry, here it is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, then 6 by 2. Like that you can take. It means I have drawn the here back side I will come, I can write minus 1 by 2, then minus 2 by 2, then I can write minus 3 by 3, or minus 3 by 2, then minus 4 by 2. Like that you can move. For each and every marking, suppose I have taken half. You are drawing the number line, and in 1 centimeter you are writing 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2. Like that, according to your choice, you are writing the number first. Then you have to start, first you are going to half. Adding means going right side on the number line, and then 3 by 2. After 1 by 2 you are moving to 3 by 2. So it will be after 1 by 2 you are there, at 1 by 2 you are there, at 1 by 2 you are there, then you are moving 3 by 2. So just you count 3 by 2 means this is 1, then it is 2, then it is 3. So how many steps you are moving, just you need to count it. After you are at 1 by 2 and then you are moving 3 by 2, just one jump means you are taking 1 by 2, then 2 by 2, then 3 by 2. So ultimately you are reaching where? Ultimately you are dropping where? If you are taking 3 jump, starting from 1 by 2, you are going to 4 by 2. That means the answer you are getting, that is 4 by 2. Therefore, you can write here that 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is coming 4 by 2, and as you know 2 2 ja 4, you can cancel. So answer is coming you to 2. So like that you can finish it. For this addition on number line, you must take care that your fractions may be in the like fraction, and if you want to add, always you will move to the right side. If you are subtracting, move to the left side. That means on the number line, if you are moving to right side, that means you are adding, and if you are moving to left side from your position, that means you are subtracting it. So this is very useful and comfortable. Just you need to take the jump. This type of questions you have learned in your junior classes, addition on a number line. It was taught in your junior classes, in class 1, class 2, those students are doing, but they are not using negative numbers. The number which are having negative sign, they are not using it. So you are having always positive numbers, and by taking those positive numbers you can do it. But here question number 1 is done. Then question number 2 is there, 1 by 7 plus minus 5 by 7. Let me show you one more question. Question number B is there, that is 1 by 7 plus here minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7. Now I am taking a number line, and in that number line first I am writing 0, then marking. Suppose at 1 centimeter I am marking, okay, so that I can adjust these two numbers. So here suppose I am writing 1 by 7, then it is 2 by 7, then it is 3 by 7, then it is 4 by 7, then it is 5 by 7, then it is 6 by 7, then it is 7 by 7, and then it is 8 by 7. And if I am going to left side, again I am marking with the same distance, I am marking over there. Now here suppose you are having minus 1 by 7, here you are having minus 2 by 7, here minus 3 by 7, here minus 4 by 7, here minus 5 by 7, here minus 6 by 7, and here minus 7 by 7. Now from you are at minus 5 by 7, you are at 1 by 7, you are at 1 by 7. Then you want to add minus 5 by 7, that means you have to move right to left side. How many steps? 5 steps. So just you count. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5th. So after 5 step, you are at 1 by 7 and you are moving, you are adding minus 5 by 7 means you are going to right to left side. Which side you are moving? Right to left side. Then where you are going? You are going at minus 4 by 7. So you have got your answer here, that is minus 4 by 7, and this is your answer. So like that you can do such type of questions. So I have given you today these questions: addition, okay, use and subtraction of rational numbers, that you can do. Question number 1 only I am giving today from 4C, and you can see the examples of this book so that you can understand these questions. Thank you for today.